Part 9. We are going to continue with factorize and we are going to focus on grouping. You will find this on page 85 in the Namibia Mathematics Grade 9 textbook, y equals mx plus c to success. Now, grouping will usually have 4 or more terms, like 4 or 6 or 8. It will not have less than 4 terms. Okay, now it works more or less like a common factor. But the thing is, you cannot take out a common factor out of all 4 terms, the same common factor. You take out a common factor out of the first 2 terms. Then you take out another common factor out of the next 2 terms. And then you take out a bracket as a common factor. Okay, now let's look at this example. What common factor can I take out? I can take out 2 and I can take out t out of the first 2 terms. If I divide, it's s. If I divide, it's t. Now, if you see a positive standing there, now remember what I said. It's like a green robot. You don't have to focus too much on the signs. Your signs will work out. So write the positive, take out r as a common factor, divide, you will get s, divide, you will get plus t. Exactly the same sign there. Okay, now there's 2 terms. So if you take out s plus t as a common factor, what will be left? If you divide 2t, if you divide r. Now, take note that after you factorize, you will only have 1 term. There was 1, 2, 3, 4 terms, but now it's only 1 term. So after you have factorized, you will have 1 term. So you were taking out 2 different common factors, and then you take out a common bracket. Okay, let's look at the following example. Example 21. Factorize 3bx minus 6x minus by plus 2y. Now, if I take out 3 as a common factor, yes, and I can take out x. If I divide, I'm left with b, and if I divide, I'm left with negative 2. Now, there is standing a negative. Now, as I said to you, if you come to a red robot, you must stop and you must think of your signs. Otherwise, you're going to make a sign accident. So if I take out y, if I divide, I'm left with b. But now look, a positive divide by a negative. There's 1 negative sign. It's an odd number, so the sign must be negative. Can you see it change from a positive to a negative? And what is left? The y cancel and the 2 is left. And now you can go and say, oh, but the brackets are the same. I take the bracket out as a common factor. If I divide, I'm left with 3x, and if I divide, I'm left with negative y. I want you to do for me, try now 21, and I want you to do number A, I want you to do number C, and I want you to do number E. Stop the video, and as soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. Okay, let's start. Try now 21. Okay, let's start easy. Number A. So number A was AX plus AY plus BX plus BY. So as soon as you see 4 terms, think of grouping and test if grouping can work out. So what do I take out of this first 2 terms, A? Sometimes you can take out of the first and the third, or the second and the fourth. It can also work out. So what will be left? X. If I divide, the A's cancel, Y. This is a positive. Don't worry too much about your signs. It will work out. So if I divide X, the sign stays the same. If I divide Y. And now look, can you see there's 1, 2 terms. The brackets are the same. So if I take it out, then it's x plus y. If I divide, A is left, and if I divide, B is left. And that's my final answer. My final answer is only having 1 term. So 4 terms, now I only have 1 term. Okay. Now, if I look at number C, so it's AB minus 2AS minus 3SB plus 6S squared. Let's do the same. Let's take out A. If we divide B, if we divide minus 2S. Oh, stop. What do you see? You see a negative. If you see a negative, you have to concentrate on your signs. So if you see there a 3, we take out 3 and we take out s. So if we divide, what will be left? The 3 and the s, so only b will be left. Now look, a positive divide a negative. There's only one negative sign. It's an odd amount, so the sign will be negative. Can you see it was changing? So 6 divided by 3, what will that be? 2. This divided by this, what will this be? S. And now, check. This the same, this the same. So I basically just going to take out b minus 2s. If I divide, what is left? A. If I divide, what is left? Minus 3s. And that's my final answer. Okay. I'm going to just make space for the next one. Let's do the last one. It's not really that difficult. It's almost like a common factor. So if I look at number E, it's going to be x squared minus 5x plus 5xy minus 25y. Okay, take out x. What is left? X minus 5. This is a positive. Don't worry too much. It will work out. It's like a green robot. If I divide x, if I divide minus 5y. So this was a 5. The y is also cancelling. So it's only 5. And then my brackets are the same. I'm taking it out. So it's x minus 5. If I divide, what is left? X. If I divide, what is left? 5y. And that is my final answer.